Hope all is well. Today I'll be showing you how to stack your elements on top of each other like Tetris blocks. But if you don't understand what I'm saying, I'm basically saying I'll show you how to make your elements go to a vertical layout. Let's get started. So basically this is called a column in Jetpack Compose. So what we're going to want to do is to make sure that we're inside the function that has our elements that we want to be stacked on top of each other. We're just going to put column, and you should see a drop down just like so. And before we put anything inside these curly braces, we're going to open up some parentheses. So inside this parentheses, we're going to create something called a modifier. And this is basically telling Android Studio, oh, not this one. This is basically telling Android Studio, I want my layout to be like this. So you can basically say, I want my layout to be this big, this small, to the right, to the left, this, and that. So now we're just going to put this. And just for now, I'm going to put fill max size because as you can see to the right, our layout is pretty small and I want it to fill the whole screen. So you can see our example in action. Not only that, I want our layout to be, oh, as you can see right here, it just made it bigger. Now I want our words to be in the center. So to do that, I'm going to put these words inside. We're going to go ahead and put horizontal alignment. And now we're going to put alignment dot center horizontally. Now we're going to go for the vertical wise. Vertical, well, we're already doing vertical, but for the horizontal, I also want to put vertical so it can be like in the center. Now after vertical arrangement, we're going to put arrangement dot center. Now once the preview generates, everything should be in the center, and I will cut to when the preview finishes generating. Preview has finished generating, but you're probably wondering, why is our text still up here and not in the center? It's because remember the curly braces? We didn't put our text function inside the column. Do not forget to do this. Now once it finished rendering, we should see it in the center. But so I don't wait for it, I'm just gonna start to put our own example, our own element. I'm gonna put another text. And I'm just gonna put the text to be whatever. For example, I'll put hi. I'll just put text hi. Now since I did this, because remember they're in a column, it's going to be stacked on top of each other. Now after this finished generating, we should see our text on top of each other. This time it generated fast. I barely had to even cut the time. But as you can see right here, we have hello Android and our text hi. If you enjoyed this tutorial, I have many more tutorials just like this on my page. Happy programming, MaskedProgrammer out.